Well, it came from your hands. Sort of specifically, when the hands go together, it pushes the air in between them out.
Smashing your hands together to create shock waves?
I think sound comes from vibrations.
I believe it comes from your two hands clapping together.
Gas in the air, vibrating very slowly.
The vibration is the material, my hands, hitting together, and then it causes the molecules to vibrate.
It's essentially a mechanical wave moving through the air. It's energy being transported from whatever's making the sound to your ears, which process it.
It's a waves, and it has different levels of frequencies.
Sound is just, the compression expansion of like the air.
Sound comes from vibrations, but sound also is measured in hertz, I believe. Sound also travels in waves and can bounce off of things, be absorbed into things, and be completely stopped.
I assume that when you clap your hands together or you talk, you're producing a vibration somewhere, and those vibrations are being sent out.
I mean, I know you can calculate the speed of sound traveling through air.
Push and pull, and molecules are going to hit against each other and create waves.
Alright, it travels as sound waves just, through the air.
Well, it's a wave.
Okay.
And it moves as a wave from molecule to molecule in the air.
And then the sound travels through the air or wherever we are right now in the wave, and then hits our eardrum and vibrates our eardrum.
I'm not 100% sure, but so some frequency or some event must create that oscillation to get a pitch.
The air isn't actually like moving like that. That's just the energy. And so in this spot there's more energy, in this spot there's less energy. Sort of something like that, where everything's sort of bunched up more in these regions and more bunched up in these regions and less bunched up in those regions.
As I speak, the air kind of compresses and refracts. Here, I can see it now. Compresses and refracts through the air.
Oh, I thought I was.
Wave is going to start from its source, and then it's going to vibrate.
Probably, but if it was like soundproof glass or if it was a thicker substance, then probably not. I mean, I don't think we could hear it from here, but if somebody else was in outer space, I would assume that they would be able to hear it.
The more dense the subject, the better the sound travels. That's why, water and metal sound travels a lot more efficiently. No, because it's a vacuum, so there's no molecules for the sound to vibrate through.
It's faster through a solid than it does through the air.
It would move. I don't think it could go through a desk. Well, I guess it could, because you can hear things through rooms, so unless it was a soundproof room, so it must be able to travel through walls and things, of course.
Because there's no medium by which the sound can travel. You need something to carry the vibrational frequencies between the atoms or molecules, and vacuum is defined as the absence of which.
I know how. Okay, let's clap. What am I doing? I'm taking my hands and I'm squashing the air up. And if you can imagine all the air molecules in here, I've actually squished them together so there's a compression.
Condensations cause the stylus to move upward. Rarefactions cause it to move downward.
The sound wave travels through the air unless it hits a wall. Then the higher frequencies get absorbed and the deeper ones pass through.
And that's why when I'm behind a window I sound like this.
I don't really know anything about that.
Vibrations. That's it.
Where did it come from?
I don't know where clapping originated.
Okay.
Something pushes it. The wind pushes it.